Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to today's session. I'm Suprita. I'm your learner success manager for today's session. So before we move ahead with the session, please give me a quick confirmation. Is my voice is loud and clear? Please use the chat box. Hello Anand sir, please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear.
Hi, Supita ma'am. Very good evening. I can hear you, ma'am.
Thank you for the confirmation sir. We can also hear you clearly sir. You can go ahead with the session sir.
Thank you, Supita ma'am. Hey, hi everyone. Very good evening. Welcome to today's class. Let's wait, guys, 4 5 minutes so that others can join. Okay. Till the time others join, can anyone quickly tell me what all we have covered in our last classes? Last week, a quick recap, guys. AR, VR, and MR. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Once again, what exactly is AR? What is VR, and what is MR? What exactly is AR? What is VR, and what is MR? One quick recap, guys. Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So, being said that, so what we are going to do today is, guys, okay. So, let's get started with the content as we need to cover a lot today. Okay. So, let me share my screen. Hmm. Yeah. So, hope my screen is visible to everyone. So, today we will deep dive into AR, VR, MR, and XR in design prototype. Okay. So, as I told you in our last classes, that first understand all the theoretical concept about AR, VR, and MR, and then we need to move towards the tool. Okay. So, you need to have a basic idea of all these tool, like how it actually performs, what are the various features. Okay, you should have a basic idea of all these tools, like how you can create simple things, simple 3D designs, simple AR or VR stuffs over there. So in the same way, okay, what we are going to do today is we are going to deep dive into all the tools knowledge. Okay, that is like a must to have a thing for a UX designer or a UI designer or a UI UX designer. You should know all this stuff, like on a basic level at least. Okay, so that if someone asks you questions regarding that, or if someone says you should at least say, okay, you know that you know all this and all the stuffs. Okay, so we'll deep dive into these tools. Okay, I'll give you a basic demo of all these things, and then you can use this information for creating your course and assignments. Okay, so there are few tools. So first we'll deep dive into tools knowledge, and then we'll go ahead with the content of this one. Okay, perfect. Sounds cool. Guys, give me a quick confirmation. Is this okay? Yes. Kevin says yes. Others? Pushpa says yes. Anubhav, Khushbu, Shamruddhi, Hilda, Alekhya, Mansi. Is this okay to everyone? Perfect. We are at 16 now. Okay, no worries. So before deep dive into the tool knowledge of AR and VR, all this stuff. Okay, one quick interview preparation to all of you guys. Okay, so nowadays, as you know, AI is in trend. Okay, so how if someone says you like as there are multiple AI tools floating into the market. Okay, for example, your manager or anyone. Okay, or maybe a recruiter. So if they say you as there are many AI tools floating into the market, what is the basis of selection of any particular AI tool for your work? How you are going to decide like which AI tool is better for you? Quick answer, guys. Think and then give answer. Take time. Take 1 or 2 minutes of time, but think what will be the basis of your selection for any AI tool. So while thinking that, you need to think the usability part, right? Since starting of this cohort, we are talking about the usability part, correct? Like why usability is important, how it is helpful, right? So you need to think of the usability part. Okay, so here think why you will choose, like what is the basis of choosing any AI tool, and if possible uh, give the answer in terms of usability, like what are the things that you will consider before selection of the AI tool which you feel that is fit for your work in any organization. Quick one. Task clarity. Okay, Rajit, think in terms of more usability, like how, like what are the parameters on which you will judge a AI tool, an AI tool basically. Think on that line. Yeah, quick one, guys. Research. Okay, research is fine, Samruddhi, but here you need to define, like if someone says, hey, I'll go ahead and use the Figma make, and some other designer comes and he'll say, no, I'll go ahead with the cloud design. So you need to tell them, you need to convince your manager, your upper management, like why you are choosing the Figma make. So you need to give certain points, right? Certain factors that you have considered, and based upon that you are basically giving the option of this AI tool. So I want those points basically, Samriddhi. It is one of the quite important thing. It is like a tool, a weapon. Yeah, it is like a weapon. Okay, so before any war, right? And like if you are in a war and you need to win. Okay, so in that situation, the selection of right AI tool or the right weapon is very important, right? That is the basis of your win or loss, right? So in the same way, guys, choosing an AI tool in the era of multiple AI tools is quite important. So think in terms of usability, how you are going to basically choose. Cost versus revenue is a good pointer to convince the company to utilize AI. Perfect. Yeah, That's perfect, Kevin. But what are the parameters a designer, a UI UX designer should think before choosing any AI tools? Can you highlight those points also? Cost is very nice. One of the parameter, very nice. But like apart from cost, cost is there for sure. But apart from cost, what are the other parameters in terms of usability you think should be considered by an UI UX designer before choosing any AI tool? Think in that line also, Kevin. Others, mm-hmm. Okay, Samruddhi, one of the point. Perfect. Okay, ease of use, speed and performance, accuracy and reliability, customization, integration capability, accessibility, okay, transparency and feedback. Now I'm getting multiple answers. Perfect. Prompt to app workflow. Perfect. Error handling, collaboration, scalability, security and privacy, learning curve, output control, consistency of experience. Rajiv says clarity, responsiveness, prompt to app workflow. Okay, perfect. So these are the few parameters. So I'll summarize. So, few things first, guys. In simple terms, if you want to understand, then you can judge AI tools for UI UX designer on few parameters. That is super important. Okay. First and foremost, designers should have a control on design files. Means at a point of time, if you wanted to export it or if you wanted to copy the design and paste into some design tool, maybe Figma, let's suppose Figma, okay, if some application is giving an option to export the UI that AI has created into Figma, then it is a good capability. Means export to Figma file is very important because it will allow you to give your hands touch on the design. So first thing is export in Figma file. Okay. Second and most important, collaboration. Okay. For example, in Google Stitch, collaboration is very less. Okay. In Cloud Design also, I am not so sure, although it is licensed, but I am not very sure the way Figma may gives collaboration feature in the same way Google Stitch or Cloud Design gives or not. I am not so sure, but the way Figma make gives, yes, Cloud lacks collaboration. So the way Figma make gives collaboration, it is like too much good. Okay. So second term is collaboration, means multiple designer can work on it simultaneously. The third is accuracy, means you will test it. For example, if I say create a dashboard for an e-commerce website on iPhone 16 Pro, and I need header with all this option. So while giving the prompt, how it is responding, what is the accuracy of that one? Being a designer, you can check, right? So third is accuracy. Fourth is security, or you can think of privacy. Means I am going to use AI tool. Okay. So in that one, I'll feed my office information, right? Those are confidential. So whether these things are secure or not, right? Whether I can rely on it. So basically you can think of reliability, security, privacy, all these things. And the last is the UI thing, like how easy you can use it, what is the performance, like whether it takes lots of time or not, right? For example, if you use entropy claude, okay, and if you use chat gpt, so what I have observed is the way of giving answer by chat gpt is bit faster than the claude ai. Okay, so it depends how, like, which os or which uh, agent they are using at the back end. Okay, so it is totally depending on that one, guys. So it is very much important how easy it is for any uh, person, okay, maybe a non-design person, maybe a non-technical person, okay, uh, like how easy this ui is to those kind of person. So ease of use, or you can think how usable it is, how simple it is, that is the fifth point. So these are the few things, guys, which is super 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 important. Apart from this, cost and all this thing is there, but collaboration is the key. User control, or you can think of design control, security and privacy, accuracy, or you can think of quality, and how the overall ui is. Okay, it should not be too much confusing. Okay, for example, nowadays google translate has given certain updates, right? You can actually communicate with different languages in real time through your headphone. So the way they have given the ui, okay, and there was one more player in the market for translation, that is microsoft translator. Okay, so one side we have google translate, another side we have microsoft translate. Okay, so if you go and compare, that is competitor analysis, right, benchmarking basically, in terms of ui, so what I feel is microsoft translator ui is much more simpler than the google translate. So simple, not in terms of only look and feel, in terms of use. For example, if I go and if I need to check some profile, if I need to check the history, so how many clicks it will take to reach history in Google Translate, and how many clicks it will take to reach history in Microsoft Translate varies. Okay, so less number of click, ease of use is better. Okay, so you need to think of ease of use in the overall ui, the simplicity, aesthetic, basically aesthetic and minimalistic design, right? One of the usability factor, guys. So that is super important. So you need to basically think on these parameters before choosing any AI tool, because if you have lots of option available, then choosing a AI tool is also very very, very much important. Okay, so accordingly, whenever you get any chance to choose any AI tool, let's suppose you have your manager came after you joined as a UX designer, and your manager came and they proposed you or proposed the entire team that for design team, what AI tool like would you prefer, like you wanted to go ahead with which AI tool. So you can compare different AI tools which is available in the market based upon these parameters, and you can prepare one comprehensive note and tell them, hey, based upon these all these parameters, basically I have actually compared Figma Make, Cloud Design, Google Stitch, let's suppose, or Aura Build. Okay, I have basically done the comparison based upon these parameters, and I think Figma Make is best among all this based upon all these parameters. So, being a designer for a design team, we would like to go ahead with Figma Make. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Very important, guys. It's clear to everyone. Rajiv says yes. Kevin says yes. Others, got it, guys. Perfect. Being said that, let's move ahead with the content. Okay, so today what we are going to do is, guys, basically, as I told you, we will go ahead with few tools. Okay, So first and foremost, uh, uh, the tool through which we'll go is Unite AR. Okay, one of the very important tool. Okay, yeah, one of the very important tool, Unite AR. So as the name suggests, what it does is it basically creates an AR experience. Okay, so let me first go here and open Unite AR. Okay, this is the thing. So here, if you go to your module, show you. Ah, to create an engaging AR experience using Unite AR by designing a target image. So you need to create an engaging AR experience, means augmented reality, means digital image, physical world. Okay, so you need to create an engaging AR experience using Unite AR by designing a target image, integrating interactive 3D content and publishing it basically. Okay, so we are going to learn how you can create these experiences. Okay, so here, this is the landing page, guys. Click on sign in. Okay, for me, you see I have created few things earlier. You can sign in through some this thing, your Google account. Okay, now here what we will do is let it load first. So you can sign in this with Google. Okay, now here I have this project. Okay, so first click on create new experience. So it will load. Let it load. Now here you have two things: direct image detection and tracking, high speed detection, no duplicate issues. Okay, so let's choose this. Here what they are saying is you need to upload your target image, right? As I told you, you need to basically choose one target image which user will scan. You know that elephant thing that I showed you? One second. This one. So what is happening here? This is a target image. Through Unite AR, what you can do, you can scan this and some digital thing will come in your real device. Okay, in the same thing, guys. So here, what we will do is we will upload the target image. Okay, so here is showing some videos also how you can do. First, this.
This video is going to show you how you can create an AR experience with QR code using your AR. First up, I'm going to click on Add New Project. Over here, I'm going to click on Create and add in a target image by clicking the Browse button. I'm going to select this poster that I set up earlier and hit Open. Once it's finished uploading, you can choose the QR code design and click on Continue. I'm going to add in a 3D model on top of it by selecting 3D and uploading it. And select this model over here and hit Open. Once it's done uploading, you can use the sliders to manipulate the 3D model and make it the way that you want it to look.
He's adjusting basically with some scaling, some position, you see.
When you're happy with it, hit Save and Publish. You can now click on See the Preview button to enlarge the target image. Now, over in my phone, I'm going to open up Unite AR application and scan the QR code at the bottom. This will load up the content that you can interact with.
Okay, you see. So over the content, it showed a 3D image, the AR experience. Okay, so what we will do is we'll click on the browse. Okay, let me take this car again. This is my image. Okay, once this image is done with this QR code, I'll click on continue. Let it load, guys. Now you see, now in this one we have multiple options. Okay, you can zoom in like this, zoom out like this. Okay, here we have 3D video, 360-degree images, audio button, many things. Okay, but we need to consider 3D because here we are going to use with 3D. There are other options you can explore, but with 3D you can go ahead here. Okay, here you can write your project name. For example, car AR experience. Okay, and here these are basically the feedbacks, and this is the tutorial how to do it because it seems a bit confusing. So here basically it's showing the tutorial. Okay, here we have preview, publish, here is position, the XY scale, this is refresh, rotate, like you can rotate all the ways, it's going down here. And by this one you will be able to do it. Here you will get multiple properties. Once I select this one, okay, so based upon this, uh, whatever the properties are there that you can see here. Till here it is clear to everyone? Quick confirmation. Till here any doubt? So what we have done is we have selected our target image and we have uploaded into the Unite AR. Till now we have done this. Okay, till here any doubt, anyone? Is it clear to everyone? Is clear? Quick confirmation, guys, over chat. Uh, am I audible, guys? Okay. Okay. I request everyone, if you have any, if you don't understand any property, any feature. Okay, Rajiv says yes. Okay. If having any issues, please stop me right over there because if you miss one step, the next step you won't understand. Okay. So please stop me over there. Okay, Alekhya, Pushpa, Samruddhi, Kevin, is it clear? Yeah, Kevin, you need to try it out. So right now, what you do, you just get an idea, guys. Okay, and then with the help of recording, you try it at your home. So basically, right now, over the class, understand the concept, understand the basic idea. Okay, yeah, sure. Please, guys, stop me whenever you feel doubt. So there is an Unite AR. I'll show you. This is Unite AR. Okay. So here basically, once you click it, okay, once you sign in, you will be able to basically upload a target image. You see this one, okay, that elephant thing. You need to upload a target image. the way I have uploaded target image. Okay, so let me uh, delete this. Okay, so here the way I am there, okay, you can sign in, and once you signed in, you see I have this project. You need to create a new experience like this, and here you need to upload the image. Okay, now here what we have done is basically we have uploaded the target image, means which you are going to scan. Now is it clear to everyone? Samruddhi, I think it's clear, simple, right? Khushbu, is it clear? Perfect. Now once you have the target image, okay, click on 3D. You can browse here, means you can have a drag and drop, but it only supports glb file. Glb file is basically for the 3D. Okay, so now I'll go down, and here I have multiple images, right? 3D gallery. So here you see this is explore, this is architecture, character, animals, food, accessories, others, vehicles, machines, musical instruments, vegetables, fruits, science, and not, like everything is here. Okay. So I need to go for a car because my background is car, right? So I'll go and search car. So let's suppose this is the car. Okay. So let's suppose I wanted to go ahead with Ferrari. I'll click on add. So this is now came for me. Okay. This is my object. Simply click it. The moment you click, it will get selected. Now you can rotate it. Okay, to rotate, what you need to do is simply hold like this, and you can do it. Okay, simple. In any direction, if you wanted to rotate, you can easily rotate it. Okay, let's suppose I wanted to fix it, say like this, let's suppose, or like this. Okay, you can do it. Now if you click on scale, you will be able to scale it, you see, like this, but it is a distortion, so not fit for this one. It will fit for some other scenario. So I'll go and undo it. Here we have undo and redo. Okay, so I'll again click it, and I'll drag this, let's suppose somewhere here. Okay, again I click on the rotate, and let me rotate something like this. Okay, here, and I'll take this bit up. Okay, now once these adjustments are done, like I have done the adjustments and everything, I'm ready to give effects here. From here also you can position. Okay, you like this. Okay, you see, like y x, you see. Okay, all this thing you can do, even like this. Okay, so x y z across, you can easily control, you can easily do the adjustments, whatever the adjustments you want. Okay, now I'll go and undo it. So here, with the help of undo and redo, if you wanted to go ahead or back or forth, you can easily apply. Okay, now this is my and this I'll go here. Okay, and say okay. I'll go ahead and whatever the position I want, like if you want something like this or that, you see now it's the entire pane is moving. Okay, so you need to select this and then you need to basically do it. Okay, click over there and then do it. Okay, now let me just use this one. Okay, so now I what I'll do, this is here set and this is here set, and let's suppose this is here. Okay, I'll go and set the x-axis also. Okay, now I'm done till here. Okay, now is it clear to everyone till here? This is fine. Yeah, Kevin, somewhat I'll talk about spline also, no worries. Okay, I suppose till here it is clear to everyone. Guys, give me a quick confirmation. I'm asking quick confirmation because if you miss one part you won't be able to go ahead with the next part. Okay. Mm-hmm. I think it is clear to everyone, right? Kushbu says yes. Perfect. Now, so here this is there. Now let's add some text. For example, if I wanted to add some text, means my image will come and text will come. Okay. So let's choose some effect, or you can choose some colors if you want. Okay. This is a text color and all. So let's suppose if you wanted to go ahead and use some other text color, you can use text color. Okay. And background also you can choose. So here, let's suppose you write some text. For example, crazy car way to home. Let's suppose, okay, you have added this text, and here multiple formats and all this. Let's suppose if I go and use this one, so it will be something like this. And if you wanted to change the BG, you can simply click here and you can easily change the BG like this. Okay, so on this BG it will come, right? Click on add. Okay, so now you see this has came here. Okay, now select this. Sorry. Okay, now you see, so always think what you are selecting. Okay, here this is the thing here, correct, coming text effect here also. You can anytime use it. Let's suppose I have used a very dark red color. Okay, like this. So here what I have done is basically, you see, this is the card and this is the text what I want. Okay, over here. So this is the text property. Now once that is done, go here, and here if you see, there are certain interactions. Okay, like how you wanted this to interact. For example, on no action, obviously no action, right? But here, if you want, you can go and like dial phone number, link to web page. There are multiple things which you can explore, but for now let's choose no action and transition, let's suppose on end, right? Because that elephant, you remember, after scanning on end it's coming, and how you want, let's suppose certain effect will see, let's say slide up. Okay, so here you see like this is showing, and here you can set the duration if you want. Okay, whatever the duration you wanted to set, you can easily set the duration here. Okay, so for now let's suppose we'll take 1. Okay, I've set it to 1, and here below we have certain all this thing, but don't worry now. So here what we have done, basically we have added an text here, that the car will come, and then this one will come, the text will come. Okay, after in the text, basically you can write the way, like crazy car way to home. Font you can use from here also. Let's suppose the multiple things are there. If you wanted to choose Tahoma, let's suppose I have chosen Tahoma. Okay, and here color and background effects you can choose from here. Interactions like dial phone and all these things, transitions like on start, on end, and how you wanted to see these transitions, you can choose it from here. Once that is done, okay, before going ahead, it's clear to everybody now what all we have done? Quick confirmation, guys. I think it's clear, very simple, right? I think it's clear. Perfect. Thanks for the cooperation, guys. Now, so till now, I'll again, because we are going to publish it now. So what we have done, first we have opened Unite AR, then we have chosen the target image, like which we are going to scan. Once that is done and set, then we went to 3D. From the 3D, we have chosen the material, the object basically that we are going to use. We have placed that object. We have done the placement through position, scale, and rotation here, like this. And once that is done, we went to some text or buttons and all this stuff you can use. Here we have used text. We have created the text, given the properties, and placed it here. Okay, once that is done, we'll go and click on publish. You are all set. Okay, and here you see the having saved and published successfully. See the preview. Okay, this is the full screen mode. I have my phone. Open Unite AR, guys, and let's see whether it is working or not. Go to Google and type in Unite AR. Go, and there you will get web scanner. Click on web scanner and scan the with a there is a scanning option. Okay, you can see the image. You can use it. What we have used it. A simple AR experience that we have created just now, guys. Right. No worries. Try it. It's Unite AR. Type in Unite AR. Unite AR. And then in Unite AR, Unite AR basically, I'll show 1 second. Type Unite AR and Unite AR. Guys, use this option. Web scanner. Okay. You can see, right? So in Unite AR, you need to use web scanner. 1 second, guys. Open this Unite AR, and then click on web scanner. Okay, once you open web scanner, some this kind of screen will come for you. Okay, and after that is done, go and scan the image and tell me how the experience is. We have created a very basic simple AR environment. Yes. uh, okay, you need to open Unite AR and then click on web scanner. Try it again. No, you just need to type in Unite AR. Go to any browser and type Unite AR. Right, Hilda? Yeah, so start your free trial now. You need to first, yeah, you need to first, uh, yeah, start your free trial. No, no worries. For me, I'm just coming in. One second, let me just check once again. No, guys, I'm saying you, don't click on Unite AR link. This is coming for everyone. First, confirm me this. Is this screen is this coming for you, everyone? Is this coming for everyone? Yes. Now, below this, there is a web scanner. Web scanner. Click on the web scanner. Don't click on the Unite AR. Click on the web scanner. Click on web scanner. Then scan the image which is there over the screen. Try this. You will see the text and the Ferrari car that we have selected. I request everyone to please scan this. Try and let me know whether the image is available with you or not. You will see an augmented reality, a virtual image, virtual object basically in the physical device. Yes, Anubhav says yes. Anubhav is able to do it. Others, Samriti says yes. Others, Sarnu says yes. Uh, you need to scan the QR code. Pushpa, try scanning the QR code, not the image. There is a QR code at right bottom. Scan that QR code. Everyone, please try to do it. It's really fun. Hilda, are you able to do it? And others also? Okay, Hilda, you need. the way basically I showed you, you need to scan the. Yes, Pushpa is able to. No, Khushbu is able to do it. It's showing success. Okay. So after success, you will be able to see that. You will be able to see that. No, no. Once success is there, just move the mouse towards the image. Sorry, move mobile towards the image. Once success is there, move the phone towards the image, car image. You will be able to see it. Okay, Hilda? Hilda and Pushpa. Once done, let me know. It's success, right? But you are not able to see it, right? One second, guys. Till the time I am connecting with Pushpa, I request everyone to please try this. Yeah, Pushpa, what is the issue you are getting?
So I'm scanning it
Uh huh.
and it is showing success also, and I'm moving the camera towards the car image and nothing is happening.
Now you will see it. Others are able to see it. So scan it and then immediately move the camera towards the car image.
And again I have to click on scan again.
No, 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 no. Once success is there, you should see it.
Hmm.
And I think the same issue is with Hilda. So you should see it basically.
I can't see, sir. I tried it again.
Okay. Mm-hmm. No worries, no worries, no worries. You can try it again later on. You can again try it. Okay, the recordings are there. You will see it. No worries. You will be able to again experience it later on. No worries in that one. Okay, but you at least got the concept right, Pushpa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. You can try it later on. No worries in that one. Okay. Okay, Hilda, that is fine with you also, I suppose.
I don't know what wrong we are doing.
Uh, so basically, what you need to do is, as I told you, you need to open Unite AR, go to Web Scanner, click on
Yes.
this. Then
Yes.
there is a
Success.
fingerprint is coming. You need to scan it.
Hmm.
Once this is
That is
success
happening.
happening, now once it is success, you should see the image. That means you should see the AR object basically with text. Okay.
Okay, I'll try again later.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time. Maybe later on with some fresh mind, if you do it, you will be able to do it. Okay, no worries in that
Maybe.
one. Maybe.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, Pushpa. No worries. Thanks, Pushpa. Okay, so guys, I think you got this experience how you can create a digital, or you can say a virtual object into the physical environment. Okay, now this Unite AR is clear to everyone. Like at least you got a basic idea, right? At least a basic idea. You all are with me, right? Before moving to the next tool, I want a quick confirmation. Then I'll quickly move to the next tool, guys. Is it clear? Unite Air, how it works? Yes, says Alakhya. Others? Perfect, guys. Got it right? The idea? Mansi, Arjun, Rajiv, Anubhav, V. Prithviraj Reddy, Rajshri, Bharat, Priyanka. Priyanka, you got it right? Rajiv says yes. Priyanka says no. Okay. Uh, any doubt, Priyanka? Yeah, Priyanka, good evening. No worries, Priyanka. No worries. It's a simple step. Okay. So step by step, I've explained how you can create an AR environment. So you need to go to the recording. Just go ahead with the recording after the session and let me know over Slack for any doubt. Okay. Perfect. Thanks, Priyanka, for understanding. Okay, guys. So this is basically Unite AR. Okay, I'll again show you everyone. So this is basically this Unite AR. So through Unite AR, basically you will be able to create an engaging AR experience. Okay, this is Unite AR. The second tool that we will go ahead with is basically, yeah, the second tool that will go ahead with Shape XR. Okay, so Shape XR is very it's also very nice one. Okay, I'll show you where Shape XR is there. I think it's in module 2. I'll show you that. Extended reality, quick check. You see here, Unity, Unreal, all this is there, AR and VR development platforms. Okay, and here AR, VR, MR. So in class 2 we'll go and I'll show you that. One second. I'll go to VR and here once the controller and spatial movement is done, emerging trends, that is done. Spatial design, dimension, shapes, here shape XR. Okay, so these are the basically essential tools for spatial design. So here I told you about spatial design where Shape XR is basically a dedicated VR tool. Okay, right now we have covered Unite AR, that is for AR. Okay, we'll also cover Spline. Okay, in upcoming session we will also go ahead with spline, but before going to spline, okay, we will go ahead with this one, guys, Shape XR. Okay, so Shape XR and this one spline, they are basically more focused towards the VR, that is virtual reality. Okay, so we will set up the environment and all this thing we'll do here. Okay, so before going to spline, So it is basically, as you know, Spline is basically a browser-based 3D design tool, correct? And here we can create 3D things. So I'll show you there is a way by which you can interact with the 3D objects, okay. And this shape xr is for spatial design, okay. Like you can have a VR tool basically in place, guys, okay. That is the thing, okay. So being said that, let me go to shape xr, okay. So first thing first, what we will do is, so before going to xr, you need uh, how to say, some UI thing, maybe on a screen or something that should be created into the Figma or maybe some other design tool. So what it does basically, you can create a VR environment over there and you can see, okay, the way I showed you that, Mahindra, okay, in the same way you can see the entire UI. So you first need a UI to be generated, okay, and then we will take that, means we will uh, um, call that particular UI screen over the same XR and I can show you, okay. So before going to that, let's create something over Figma, okay. I have something for you. I'll show you one second. So I'll go to Figma, my homepage, and here what you can do is you can either create through certain design tools. You can create that as a design file, or what you can do is you can basically use Figma Make, or you can take it from online also. So here I have just taken this from the internet, and this is basically at this Instagram landing page. I wanted to see it as a virtual, okay. So this is real, and I wanted to see this in a virtual environment, how it will look. So what you need to do first is, you'll go to frame, you can choose any phone or whatever you wanted to see, okay. You need to create here. So let's suppose you have created something, some screens or something like this, and you wanted to basically see this in virtual environment. So first you need to create that screen. So the moment you create this screen, you can take this to shape xr to see the VR thing. Okay. So now, for now, I have just taken this from the internet. Okay. Now, here, this is the screen. Now, let's suppose I wanted to take this to the Shape XR. So, how I will do it, I'll show you that. Okay. So, now let me go here. And here, what we'll do is, so once that frame is done for you, once that everything is ready, screens are ready, now you are set to basically import that, okay, import that into the SIP XR. Then you will go ahead with the SIP XR URL, and over there you will basically import it, okay. So you need to log into shape xr basically. So I'll go here and write shape xr, shape, and xr is the capital. Once you come here, click on shape xr design and prototype, okay. Once it is here, go and click on sign in. Let me see, yeah, I have this free account. So you can join in through uh, Google account here also, Okay, so you need to uh, go inside the SIP XR. Okay, once that is there, okay, go to my files. Here I have created this, you see, iPhone SE earlier. So let it be, no worries, no need to delete. I'll click on import. Okay, now once you click on the import, okay, you see here it's showing PNG, JPEG, JPEG, OBG, GLB. GLB is again that same thing for the 3D I told you, and zip file, MP3, WAV, and MP4, everything supports here. Okay, this is in beta version. So here you can basically you need to take that from Figma. So right now, Shape XR integration is with the Figma guys. Okay, so here you need to take from the Figma object. So they are basically considering this image. You think this is an canvas for me, frame for us, right? So for SIP XR, it is basically an object. So I have created this object, means a real object, which I wanted to see virtually, means how it will look like in the virtual environment. Okay, so that should be there. So Shape XR, consider this as an object. Okay, so I need to click on the Figma object, and from the Figma object, I'll be able to see it. Okay, so before uh, going ahead, you need some Figma tokens. Okay, so see this video first. So here you can import the video, and you can how to say, you can uh, see this. So before going to this one, let me first click on import, and here you need import from Figma. uh, you can import from this one YouTube video also, but we have the integration with Figma, so you can create one object in the Figma, and from there you can paste it in here and you can see it. So how you will do it? So you see, in Figma, copy the link of any frame or group and paste it here. Okay, so I'll go here, click here, and here you see copy paste as, go here and click on copy link to selection, link copied to clipboard. Okay, go here and paste this here. Okay, click on import, let it import guys. You see it has imported for me, right? Now once it is imported for me, okay, here, one more second guys, let me rename it so that is not confusing for you. Okay, let me go to Figma and change the name to iPhone SE test. Okay, now I'll go here, here, copy link to selection, go to here, click on import, click on Figma file, and then import. Okay, you see iPhone SE test is here, and let me remove this. Okay, now once that is done, okay, so I'll reiterate the steps once again guys. So what we have done, first we have created some landing page, okay, for Figma. I wanted to see this in virtual environment, okay, in virtual reality. So I'll simply click here and I'll copy the link. I'll go to SEP XR, click on My Files, click on Import, click on Figma Object, paste the URL over there, and it will come here. Before going ahead, quickly tell me, is it clear to everyone? Till now, it's clear. Any doubt? Anything? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, I think all are okay. Pushpa says yes. Others? Till now it is clear. Any doubt? Anyone? Perfect. Now let's go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Now I'll go here, and here you can see, here this is there. Select it. The moment you select, you see there is a select and unselect. Okay, so I select it. Now here in the top you can see I have few options like download, sync, edit link. Many thing is there, right? So what you need to do is here, go here, and here basically you need to click on sync. You see now, fail to sync Figma file, it's saying. Let me check why. Mhm. No worries. Let me import it again. Figma object. I have the URL. Okay. No worries. So what we will do is maybe some issue. So I will delete this. Okay, and this is my here. Okay. So let me go to my home, and here this is here, and here you need some tokens and all. One second, guys. Yeah, this is my, yeah, this is the file. Okay, so here uh, so once you copy the things from the internet, okay, it won't, because it needs certain accounts. Okay, so that is there. So here this is me. Now I'll go, and simply it should work now. Copy link to selection. I'll go here. I'll click on import Figma object. It should work once again. And here I'll click on import. Once that is there, oh, okay. One second. Why it is happening? Maybe account issue. Starter plan free. No worries. Let me delete this and copy some frame. For example, Instagram landing page Figma. Let's see, guys, some resources, some screens. Okay, and we'll copy that thing. Okay, one second. Let me go back. So I think if you create this, there will be no issue. Let me take this. Okay. One second. Let's take this. Let it load. Yeah, I have few things here. Let's take any of the things. Yeah, it is cool. I'll copy this. Close. Let me close this. Go to my file, and here I'll paste it. Oh, sorry. Okay, Instagram main. Okay, now let's see what is happening here. Okay, so the way, think this as I have created one screen. Okay, now let me quickly check it. Now, so what I will do is I'll go to basically uh, shape XR, and then it should allow me to sync. Let me try this, guys. Okay, it should basically allow me to sync. Once I sync it, I'll be able to basically do it. So let me take this. Earlier it has copy link to selection, and I'll go to Save XR. I'll click on import, click on Figma object, paste it here. Okay, issue with the Save XR file. Okay, I need to log out. Let me check some other account. One second, guys. Whether with some other account I'll be able to do it or not. Let me check. Mhm. Go to my files, and here click on import, click on Figma object. Yeah, so here that's correct. Now, so now it is allowing me. So I'll again click on import, and here you see Figma object. Okay, now here you need to paste Figma account token. That's what I was saying. So before pasting the this one, before pasting the Figma URL, you need to paste the Figma account token. Okay, see this video first. How to take that token. So go to Tanya, here settings, go to security. Here you will find personal account, this one. Okay, token. Write SAFE XR, put expiration 90 days, read only, and here generate token. So this is the token, guys. SAFE XR token is there with you. Okay, so here what I will do is I will also use the token first so that it gets the access. Okay, one step before pasting that one. One second, I have noted down my token earlier. Let me see whether it is working or not. So I'll go here. I'll summarize. Don't worry, don't get confused. I'll summarize. Okay, let me see. So this is the token. So FIGD, it starts with FIGD. Let me see it syncing or not. You see, now it's synced. Okay, Figma token synced, and now it's saying import a Figma file. Now once I click, then it will ask you to put that URL, that sorry, that's a link. Okay, so one step is there. You need to basically uh, sync with Figma token. Okay, now I'll go here, and I'll go here, click here, and here copy link to selection, go here and paste here. Now it should happen. Again it's saying fail to upload Figma source. Okay, why uh let me try with some mine the self created. One second, guys. So I'll go and I'll take this frame for example. Okay, and let me take this picture, go paste here. Okay, think this as a frame that you wanted to use here. Okay, now I'll go and I'll see this whether it is working or not. Copy link to selection, or what is the issue? Figma source. Why? Okay, no worries. Mm, yeah, Figma resource. Okay, copy link to selection. Go to import Figma object. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because of account, or because of because of that one I'm not getting. One second. That is the way only. Uh, Initially it has happened, now it is not happening. What happened to my account? Okay. Mm-hmm. Failed to upload Figma resource. Why? Okay. It happened so nicely. Now it is saying no. One second. I'll go to here and let me open this. Why it is not taking that one? Okay. Share prototype. I'll copy this link. I'll go to save XR. I'll go to Figma object. No worries. Let me figure it out why it is happening. Okay. It happened with me, maybe again with that same issue with the account. Mm, 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 mm. If I choose some other account, then it should happen. Mm, okay. Let me go to my files, and here go to import. This is the token they are asking. So here I'll first put the token. It should work. Why it is not working? Import a Figma file. I'll go here. I'll go here. I'll go here and here. Fail to upload Figma resource. No worries, guys. That's totally fine. That's totally okay. Let me just quickly figure it out why it is not uploading. Okay, you guys go on a break. Okay, let's meet after 15-20 minutes. I'll figure out why it is not uploading. Maybe some technical glitch over the SAP XR. So that is the way. You guys carry on with the break. I'll quickly see it. Okay, I've launched the poll for you all guys. Till then, I'll quickly figure it out. Okay, what is the issue? And then I'll let you know. Otherwise, if it is not allowing us also, I'll tell you the way by which you can do it. Okay, so freshly you will be able to do it. No worries on that one, guys. Okay, so let's take a break for 15-20 minutes and let me figure it out why it is happening. Okay, so let's meet after 15-20 minutes, guys. No worries in that one. Okay. Like, are we all back from the break, guys? Yes. Okay. Please let me know once. Yeah, Pushpa says yes. Others? Kushbu says yes. Others? Are we all back from the break, guys? Mm-hmm. Please provide your valuable feedback, guys. It is quite important for us. Okay. Perfect. I'm ending the poll. Okay. And I'll share my screen. So, yeah. So basically, I'll show you 1 second. Okay. So basically, what is happening is my all account has gone. Like my free thing is gone. That's why it's not allowing me to sync it. Like anyone wants to share the screen, I wanted to, yeah, I wanted to see the things in your you can share a screen and all of the person can see it. Anyone want to go ahead with that one? My all the account with this shape XR is this one exhausted now, guys. I need to create one more Gmail account for to do it. So anyone wants to go ahead? I'll tell you the steps one by one, and then I can explain all the things. I think that's a good idea. What do you think? In the interest of time, we can do it. Okay. Anyone wants to go ahead? Okay, Samruddhi. Samruddhi, 1 second. I'll give you. Let me unmute you guys. Okay, 1 second. Let me unmute Samruddhi. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Samruddhi. You can share your screen. Yeah, just share your screen. For me, it's not. It's got expired now. So,
Okay.
yeah,
Sir,
I have
it's saying the host isn't allow multiple
now.
presenters.
Let me stop sharing.
Yeah.
Now you'll be able to share.
Just a minute, sir.
No worries. No worries. Yeah, sure. So, till the time Samruddhi shares, ma'am wants to take. Yeah, sure, Samruddhi. Just wait 5 minutes. Ma'am wants to take 5 minutes for the feedback. Yeah, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Please give me a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I have posted a link in the chat box, that is Google, okay? So I would request you all that please do share your feedback, your experience, and how you had so far with us and with our trainer. And also, before providing your feedback, we have a small message from our team. So just quickly let me share my screen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, we at Simply Learn want to share a few notes with you today. So, come now. Thank you. This means so much for us. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us. Thanks so much. This means a lot to us. This means a lot to us. So thank you. Thank you. This really means a lot to us. Thank you. This means a lot to us. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us. These are the notes of gratitude. These are heartfelt messages from our passionate teams, hustling it out to build a great learning experience for you. At Simply Learn, every learning experience that we design is with you in mind. But once the sessions come to a close, there's one moment that's equally important to us: your feedback. Your reviews can have a huge impact. They help us grow and can help potential customers make an informed decision. So, yes, your voice matters.
So please do share your feedback. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, Shamati, I'm unmuting you. Let's see on your account. One second. Yeah, Samruddhi. Now I think you'll be able to share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. So, guys, you are able to see some of this screen, right? Give me a quick confirmation, guys. Perfect. Yeah. So please pay attention here. It is one of the very important tool. Not Unite AI, Samriddhi. You need to go to Shape XR.
Shape XR.
XR.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. Now, before going it here, okay, okay, no worries. Now, hold on. Go to your Figma because no, let it be here. No worries. Go to your
Okay.
Figma account. Yeah, go to your Figma account.
Yeah, I've opened
You
the project.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. So, guys, please, see the screens. For any issues, let me know. Okay, and this is also a good way to demonstrate. So now, yeah. So what you need to do here is basically before going to SIP XR, okay, you need one
Mm.
screen, right? So before screen, what you need to do is you need to basically do the token. So token is basically it allows you to sync, and that is the problem that I am getting. Okay, so what you need to do is before going into this one anything, you need to access the token. So now you have chosen one screen, right, Samruddhi? Choose any screen. Just go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, first choose. Yeah, just
Oh,
go here.
yeah.
Take a small screen. It will come on scroll. So maybe this one, home screen. Yeah,
Okay.
this is okay. Okay.
Mm.
So before this one, now Samriddhi wants to take this screen to Shape XR. So before this, what she will do is she will basically create a token for Shape XR. So go to your home, not this one. That home icon is there. No, not here. Uh, Aerobics fashion app tab is there. Before that, there is a home. Your Figma home.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Go there. So
Okay.
now here you have. Now go to Samruddhi Khare, uh, top, top. Your account profile. Now go to settings. Now go to security. Okay. Go down. You see personal access token. Correct. Generate new token. Click on generate new token. Now
Okay.
here write shape XR. SHAP capital X. Don't give space.
Okay.
Ha. Set expiration 90 days. The max you should take. Okay. And here, okay. No worries. No worries. Let it be. Let it be. Go to Shape XR. We'll see the video over there. No, no. Let it be. Go to Shape XR directly.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, let it be. Go to, yeah. Sign in with some, yeah, try for free. Sign in and sign in with your Google account. We'll see.
Okay. Just a
Hmm.
minute.
Yeah. Continue with Google. Continue with Google. Choose any, yeah. So it should also ask you the token. Go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Type any name, accept, continue. Yes. Here. Go to my files. My files. Left panel. My files.
Yes. Hmm.
Now click on import. Yeah, click on import. No, no, not here.
Export.
Right top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you see you are also getting Figma object. Click here. Is
Figma
it
object.
asking? Yes. Is it asking you a token? Yes, it's asking you token. Hold on. Click on show that video to all the person. No, no, no. Their video is there. How to get? There is a video, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Click
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Yes. Play it.
Is it audible?
It's not audible, but no worries. We'll see.
Okay.
You can see, right? You can listen. Go to security. After this one, personal access account, generate. You have written the name, shape XR, and here read only. Where they have put read only?
Yeah. File content.
Yes, file
The
content.
file content.
Correct? Yeah. Got it? Now
Yes.
go there in shape XR.
Also, it is steps.
Yes, I think everyone can see it, right? So in the same way you need to do. For me, that token has expired, guys.
File content. I think it is this
Yes.
one.
And
And now
here,
I can generate token.
yes. Copy this token.
Copy this token.
Hmm. Go to SAP XR, paste the token here.
Sync.
Sync. Yeah. Now click on import Figma file. Go to the Figma
Now
and
I can
yeah, choose this. Right click, copy paste as, copy link to selection.
copy
Fourth.
link to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now go to
Copy.
SAP XR, paste it here and import. You see it's
Yes.
imported, right? Now,
Yes. Yes.
okay, hold on, Samruddhi. Till here, everyone is clear? Everyone is clear till here? Guys, give a quick confirmation. So you need to create a token, okay, in a fresh account, in a Figma account. Pushpa says, once again, huh? Hold on, Samruddhi, for some time. So Pushpa says yes, others, Rajiv says yes. Guys, give me a quick confirmation. It is an important step in Step XR. Unless and until you are not creating any token, you won't be able to proceed. They will not allow you the way it was not allowing me. Okay. I think it's clear to everyone. So I'll again reiterate till now what we have done. First, create a object. So for Shape XR, any Figma canvas or frame is known as object. So you are creating any screen, consider this as an object. So first you create an object in the Figma. Once that is done, you will go to Figma homepage. Figma homepage, not your homepage. Okay. In the Figma homepage, you need to basically, yes, you need to basically create token through your profile. You will go to settings. You have a video also there. You will go to security, and here in security, you will basically generate a new token. Okay, write SAPE XR, then give a duration expiration of maximum 90 days, and for the content, make it enable. Once that is done, you can close this, Samruddhi. Copy the token. Then you will go to SAP XR, click on the My Files, click on Import, paste your token. your token will be done, then it will allow you to paste your Figma link. You will go to Figma file, take the Figma link, you will go to the canvas, right click, click on copy selection as link, paste that link into the import Figma link. Once that is done, okay, it will import you here. Now here you can see that home screen is there. So this home screen basically is the object for some this one shape XR. Now what you will do is here you will basically sync this. Okay, so from here you are basically going to sync this. So to sync, what you will do is, I'll tell you, once that is done, you will select it. So select this, Samruddhi. No, not like this. Close this, close this. Yeah, yeah, it's selected. It's selected. The checkbox is there, right? Now click on sync. In the top, you can see sync. Yeah, click on sync. You see now Figma file has been successfully synced. Hold on. Okay, Samruddhi. So now what will happen here is, once that is done, guys, you will be able to sync it. So now you need to select it, and if let's suppose there are multiple things, let's suppose two or more screens are there and you wanted to sync them all, so you will click all, right? Because it's a checkbox, so you will be able to select all and you will be able to sync all. So whatever the object means screen you wanted to see, 1 2 5 and number, you can select it and then you can sync it. Okay, once that is done, what you will do is you will go to MySpace. Go to MySpace, Samruddhi. Okay, click on new space. Now you are creating a new space.
Okay.
Let it load, let it load, let it load. Yeah. So here it is creating an VR environment for you. Safe XR is creating an, so you see the moment you are saying that is in virtual environment. Your screen, real screen is in virtual environment.
AI
Okay.
does
Yeah. What AI feature you can uh,
model.
whatever. Okay, you can go ahead with this one. Close it. Close it. No worries. Close it. Now it is click on got it. Yeah, click on got it. So now here you can see, right? So yeah, now click on asset. The top, yeah, got it. They are showing the options. Yeah, yeah, got it. Click on my files. Okay, you are going. Click on home screen. Your screen is coming here, right? Yes. Now click on that checkbox. Yeah, no worries. That's fine. That's fine. Now you
Okay.
can rotate it. Yeah, you can check it. That's fine. Now it's okay. Now you see, just zoom in, take the rotation. This is your screen only, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, guys, you can see this in the virtual environment, right? So it is a totally a virtual environment and it is in 3D. From the right, you can choose the color, you can do the editing, all this stuff you can do it here. Okay, so this is a virtual environment and here you can interact with it. I hope this is clear to everyone. You can transform the position, you can do the rotation, you can put the scaling, you can try some of the few things, no worries in that one. You can delete, you can edit, you can change the color, whatever you want, even the BG, everything you can do it. Okay, so with this one what will happen is you are basically what you are doing is you are basically creating a virtual environment. Okay, and here Samruddhi is now able to see the physical thing that he has created, okay, his object, into the safe XR virtual environment. Okay, so this is how you are basically able to see it here. Sync with Figma, attached to all these things, viewpoint, many options are there that you can basically explore. Okay, no, screen is in 2D only, but it is in 3D environment. You can see,
Yes.
right, Pushpa? Yeah. So what happens with the screen is, like in a virtual environment, you can see it is appearing on your wall, and you are interacting. So the difference is that right now it is in 3D environment, means the way this environment is there. In the same way, you can open the screen in your home, just in front of the window, on wall, all these things. Okay, the way you have seen. Okay, while giving the like when I was giving the demo earlier and classes earlier, you have seen, right? So you can open the screen in any environment. You see in it's opening in an environment. Are you getting? So here you can open any digital screen, maybe mobile application, desktop application, maybe in an environment, maybe in a room. Okay, so consider that one. So right now, it from the Figma space, it has now landed to this environment basically, like projector. Perfect, right, Pushpa? Like projector. Got it? So here you can interact. You can say, hey, I have these many screens, and now it is like a projector, and like it is in this environment, maybe a room environment, something like this. You got it, Pushpa, right? I hope yes. And is it clear to others? Very important, guys. Is it clear to others? Yeah, so with this one, what will happen is, the way screens, what VR thing allows is, the SAFE XR basically allows the digital thing. Let's suppose you have created something, some website and all, and you wanted to see that in a VR environment, in some projector kind of thing, the way you showed. Okay, maybe in a room, or maybe somewhere that physical, but that is virtual environment. So you can interact. Okay, so that is the thing. Now you can stop sharing. I'll showcase. I'll showcase. Okay. Let me share. I'll show you guys. 1 second. Really, thank you, Samruddhi. It was nice interacting with you, and hope everyone got this. Thanks once again, Samruddhi, for the support. Now I'll just quickly show you. So you see, let me first close few things. So here I'll show. 1 second. Uh, in VR environment. Okay, you see. So you can see, you see, through this VR, what happens is, okay, you see, now this screen is in the physical environment. Okay, I'll show you some other in virtual environment. Sorry. So now you see the same way. Okay, you see like this. Open link in new tab. You see, except you see, okay, the same thing, screen is in the, looks like in a physical environment, so it is totally virtual, and you can see the screens, okay, in other environment. And through a headset, through VR headset, you can see this. So this is the use case. So whatever you are seeing, so you must have used that VR thing, right? In malls and all, you must have seen all these things. So here, basically through these kind of platforms, they create all this. So they create something, over digitally, and they bring that into the environment. The way Samruddhi bring from Figma to this one. So they have created a nice all the thing, and then they brought it into the VR environment, and you can interact with it. I hope it is clear, Pushpa, and to others also. I think it's clear, right? No, no. One second. One second. My bad. One second. Now, so you guys can see right here. So the way VR thing is there. Okay. So the way what Samruddhi did, Samruddhi basically created the object in Figma, taken that into the purely virtual environment, and you can interact with it through VR headset. Okay, that is the use case. I think it is clear to Pushpa and others now. Is it clear to everyone now, guys? I think it's super clear now. Got it? Yes. Others, you are clear, right, Pushpa? Concept is clear. Yes. Others, guys, give me a quick confirmation. We have uh, deep dive into two tools: Unite AR for augmented reality, Shape XR for virtual reality. Kushbu says yes. Bharat. So you got bit idea. Yeah. Perfect. So I think it is clear to everyone. No, no, Pushpa, what happens is in this one, basically you take that into the environment. Okay? Yeah. 3D is there, spline is there. Tell you that also. Okay? Here you basically take that into the this environment. Okay? Through Shape XR. Got it, Pushpa? Yes. Perfect. So with that note, guys, I think we are done with this two tool. There are two more tools to go ahead. I'll give you a basic idea on all the tools that the way I have given for Unite AR and Shape XR, so that you have a basic idea. Okay, so being a UI UX designer, you will not be fully enrolled permanently for this kind of thing, but you should have an idea because these are the emerging trends. You should know how this works. You should know the basic of all this thing, so that in some situation, if someone asks you, if someone tells you, or there is a discussion going on around, you are in a position to speak about all these things. Okay, now with that note, till now we all are good, because I am going to move to content now for class 3. Till now we all are good. Guys, give me a quick confirmation. In the same page, everyone? Bharat, Rajiv, Alekhya, Samruddhi, Khushbu, Kevin, Priyanka, Hilda, Alekhya. Perfect. Perfect. Let's jump to the content, guys. Okay. Let me close this, this, this. Okay. Now, so now we will touch base AR, VR, MR, and XR in design prototyping. Okay. So, what exactly? So, we have now basically touch based AR, VR, and we have also gone through the spatial design, and also we have taken a walkthrough of certain tools like Unite AR and Shape XR. Okay, so let's have a quick engagement thing, guys. Did you know companies like Ford and BMW use virtual reality to test vehicle designs without building physical prototypes, right? Saving millions annually. Meanwhile, augmented reality helps design teams visualize components in real time, overlaying digital models onto physical environments for faster iterations. Will AR and VR replace traditional prototype? A quick one, guys. Then we'll go to the learning object. What do you think? Will AR and VR replace traditional prototyping? What do you think? Okay, says yes. Okay, perfect. Others? Okay, my eyes are on chat. What do you think? Let me see. Yes, but only the design part. Okay, why Pushpa? Why only the design part? Okay. Mm-hmm. See, nowadays, what is happening is many things are coming, right? So, thinking uh, that thing into the mind, what do you think? Will AR and VR do that? Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, right, Kevin. Yeah. So basically, so okay, few things first. So here, what is happening is, see, like if you ask me, then what I would suggest is, with the help of AR and VR, what happens is you can see a test. You can have a test drive. Okay, you can have a test drive sitting in your home. But do you think like really it is going to give the same experience? Somewhat, somewhat, not exactly. Okay, but at least you can give an idea. At least you can give an experience to the user, and that is awesome. So if someone is having that experience with them, and by doing that, uh, user goes to the showroom and then do all that stuff, then the experience will be a bit different than the conventional one. Okay, but real time testing, physical testing is quite important. In the same way, there are situations where, for example, you are creating certain buildings, okay, or constructing some buildings. Some builder is there and he is constructing some buildings. So he can have a blueprint and he can take you through the entire thing through a virtual reality. You will be in a in completely inside that building, although it has not yet constructed, but you will be in that one. You will be able to feel it. You will be able to see different modules of it, different section of it, but you won't be able to how to say match that with the real feeling, but at least you will have a fair idea what exactly it is going to do, how it is going to feel like, how it is going to be like. Okay, so not in a full scale, but somewhat it will do, and it will be there to enhance the experience. Okay, the way I showed you this Mahindra. Okay, I'll again show you. Really sorry. Yeah. So here, as you see, you can have a 360-degree view. Here, if I go to explore in 3D, I can see this. Okay, so here you see the total visualization is changed rather than having a catalog. So earlier, what these companies used to do, they used to launch catalogs. You can see all this feature. So seeing those things in the catalog, in the paper, in 2D way is bit how I would say outdated nowadays. People wanted to simply click like this and wanted to see this in real feeling. Okay, they wanted to feel it somewhat, not on 100% side, but somewhat they wanted to see it, they wanted to feel it, they wanted to go like this, they wanted to see the interior, exterior, whatever is there. They simply wanted to go, doors open, doors close. They wanted to see this in a real environment. Okay, so not on a full scale, but somewhat wherever possible, it will create that prototyping thing. Okay, sounds cool, everyone? Yes, perfect, perfect, Pushpa. Okay, all cool, perfect. Now let's go ahead. So what we will do is we'll create an AR prototyping is using Spline, as I told earlier. Okay, and also we'll go ahead with Draft XR. So we have completed two demo, that is Shape XR and Unite AR. In the same way, we'll cover Spline and Draft XR. And after that, we'll also analyze the core features of Eco 3D and key applications of AI in XR. Okay, that's it. So, AR, VR, MR, and XR prototyping overview. So, so these technology basically, as you know, it enables us to create the immersive experience the way we have done now, the way Samruddhi showed you all. Okay, in the same way, it enables you to create an immersive experience. Okay, the entire screen what Samruddhi designed in the Figma, you can see in some other other environment. Okay, so it gives an experience of integration between real and virtual environment, and here you can design, test, and refine user interaction. Okay, now, so what exactly AR, VR, MR, and XR prototyping? So it basically involves building the interaction. Okay, means you basically are doing the interactions. So it can vary from simple wireframes to simulations. Okay, so for simulations you need certain specialized tools and platforms that is there available in the real world. So basically, to do that, you need certain specialized tools and platforms. So what are the things that is important? So the important things are, first, we need to test the usability, like whether it is usable or not, whether I can use it or not. Then we'll understand the design concept. Once it is usable, we'll go ahead and understand or explore all the design concepts. This is the design, this is the design, this is design, all these things. For example, the same the building construction. Okay, so first we'll see whether if someone comes, okay, whether I'll be able to give demo of the entire building, or must you must have seen some how to say, in some movies and all. Okay, the Jurassic Park and all. So before going inside the park, they have a 3D view where you can go and you can experience it, how it may be like that. Okay, so for creating these kind of environments, for creating these kind of experience for the user, you need to first test the usability. Okay, whether it is usable, it will be usable for the user or not. Okay, once that is done, you will go ahead and explore the design concepts. Okay, This is the design. Okay, this is the entrance, this is the gate, this is the entire thing, this is the lobby area, all these things. Once that is done, how user will interact, okay, means you will understand the user interaction. And once that is done, you will identify the design challenges and solve it. That's simple. Now, we will, what we will do is we will basically prototype using Spline and Figma. So let's first read the theory, then we'll jump into the spline tool. Okay. So what AI prototyping basically does it? It basically involves in crafting the interactive digital mockups. Okay. So in simple terms, you can create 3D models with the help of this specialized software. So while having a demo of Spline, Pushpa, okay, we will see the 3D things. Okay, your question. So while seeing that, you will be able to interact with the 3D models. Okay, you will be able to see the animations and interactions. Okay, so devices like smartphones or tablets or sometimes augmented reality glasses are also used. So in your smartphones and all, you can see this here, in desktop, in tablets, you can interact with the 3D objects. Okay, what exactly is AR prototyping? So there are few examples. For example, you see L'Oreal Modiface app. Okay, what it does, it's an innovative example of AR prototyping for virtual makeup, right? So you can do the makeup virtually rather than doing the makeup physically and seeing it. You can have this virtually. Okay, so you can try this app, L'Oreal Modiface app. Okay, so here what are the advantages? The advantages is user can upload the picture of his face, sorry, her face, and can interact with the product, can test with the products. For example, you see, it allows user to test product like lipstick and eyeshadow in real time using augmented reality, right? So again, think of the concept, guys. Augmented reality means digital thing, means virtual thing in the physical environment. Okay, so here what you are doing basically, you are testing the things over your photo, okay, over your picture, over your face. So here you can test with multiple things. You can have all the hit and trial things, and by this one it will be super cool for you. You will be able to how to say, you will be able to judge it, you will be able to see it, you will be able to experience it first. Second is, it also enhances the beauty shopping experience by eliminating the need of physical samples, right? Because what it does is, once you have this, you will feel, wow, hey, this is something cool, hey, I can try this. So here if you see, here I think this side makeup is there and this side makeup is not there. Okay, or maybe this side makeup is there, this side makeup is not there, right? This side makeup is there. So you can see this side, the hair color, the skin tone color, everything is changed. And if you can see this, maybe virtually, right? On virtually you are seeing this, so it will allow you to feel special. So it will enhance the shopping experience. Then third thing is, it will reduce the uncertainty, whether should I go ahead or buy it or not. It will reduce that uncertainty. Why? Because you have personally tested it, you have personally experienced it, and obviously it will give a personalized and interactive way of shopping and explore products. Because what it will do is, uh, it will allows you to test it based upon your preferences. Okay, maybe someone some maybe some user goes for something else, and user B goes for something else. Okay, so it will allow you to have a personalized experience, guys. That is very very unique here. Okay, for everyone, they can feel that product in their own way. Okay, so these are basically the key advantages of AR prototyping. Okay, now here you see, we can create that using Spline. So what is Spline is, it is basically a web based, okay, it's a web based tool, and it allows you to create and collaborate with 3D in real time. Okay, so Pushpa, when we will basically uh, have a when we will deep dive into spline, then we will interact with the 3D, then you will see the 3D thing. Okay, so here what it does basically, it enhances the process. And here, like the editing thing, interactive experiences, how you are basically doing the stuff with the 3D thing, you will be able to feel that, okay, on the real time, maybe through your smartphone, through your tablets. Okay, you will be able to see that. Now here you see, Sephora uses AR to let user try makeup, the same thing, virtually on their smartphone. Tools like Spline makes this like basically tools like Spline makes this AR prototyping easy. So what impact it's this thing create? So it basically, what it does, it creates an uh, impact of giving an customized experience. Okay, the same way we have done the example earlier, in the same way you can see the things, okay, here. So Sephora is basically using it. Okay, obviously it will increase the customer confidence. Okay, and user will be able to see the innovation, they will be able to interact with it, so obviously it will give a better experience to the user. Another thing that is there, so you all know it, Figma also creates multiple designs, right? We can create screens, and what we can do is we can test AR prototype with the intuitive tools here also. Okay, so basically what designers can do is, designers can leverage Figma's collaborative tool. Okay, and you can bring that immersive AR ideas to life. So Figma is also there, but with the spline, you will be able to basically interact with the 3D environment. Okay, here you see Snapchat. So what Snapchat does? Snapchat basically introduced an AR powered product try-ons to enhance online shopping. Okay, so what it does basically, it basically allows user to visualize item like makeup in real time, the same thing. Okay, so in the same way, what happens is, with this one, it has created an how to say, it has created an customized experience for the user, a better experience for the user. And through this one, you will be able to basically feel that somewhat before going for the real product, before going for seeing that in real, you can at least have a feeling. Okay, you can test it, and through this testing, it actually confirms your decision, and with that decision you will be able to go ahead and purchase it. So this AR prototyping using Spline and Figma basically enhances the customer satisfaction. Okay, and in what area? In the area of prototyping, means interaction with the product. Okay, with this one, what happens is, you will be able to feel that. And here spline is one of the tool by which you can basically seize it. Okay, you can interact with it, okay, on your smartphone, or maybe on your tablet. Okay, so spline is one of the tool, and after the spline, we will go ahead and have a demo of draft XR. Okay guys, so here, is it clear? Yes, Lenscut also has this feature. You can see this. So it basically allows you to, how to say, have a personalized experience, guys. Okay, okay, and on that experience, you will be able to take better decisions. This is clear to everyone, this theory, before going to a spline demo. Is this clear to everyone? Quick confirmation. Clear. Perfect. Now, let me close this. Okay. Now, what we will do is we will quickly go ahead with the spline. So, this is the demo that we are going to use it, guys. Okay. So, for a spline, you first need to go to the spline's website. Okay. And here, what you need to do is you need to basically uh, set up the environment. Okay, you need to basically set up the environment. So to set up the environment, we'll first go to the spline. So let me go to the spline. Okay, and here I'll try with my account. Let me log in. Saying upgrade. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's try. So now, uh, here, okay, now this is the interface of spline, guys. Okay, now you see this is home, this is new folder. Okay, yeah, perfect. So now here you see what are the things. First thing, you can create 3D design, 2D design, or you can import. Okay, you see I have edited few 7 hours, 6 hours ago something, and here you have AI 3D generation and create. Once you create the same 3D design, HANA 2D design, AI 3D design, that is there, and import. Okay, now here I'll give you a basic idea. So here if you go to discover, okay, you can have multiple exploration. You see this, all this looks like 3D thing. In my files, whatever you create, okay, you see that is there. In templates, you have all these templates. So here you have scenes and objects. Here you can go and choose 3D object, 3D icons, and all this stuff. Okay, it's very looks very real. Even you can go ahead and see 3D parts. Okay, somewhere, whatever you want, you can go and here choose. Here also abstract. You see, very nice one. Apparel. Okay, so in the same way, okay, for t-shirts and all the way lens cut, right? So they can use this as an apparel. Now if you go here, you see cartoon and sketch. See all this in 3D mode, all the things, even characters. Cloner, you see, components, you can see. Then drag and drop options, many things, 3D icons and all this. We have environment. Okay, you see, home, playground. This is so you can basically explore this in your free time a lot, and you see how they have created and how basically it looks like. You see here lots and lots of app options, we have all the products and everything. After that we have this, start creating with AI today. Okay, so here for example, if I write, then with license, you will be able to get your 3D generation. For example, here you see a cute elf girl face with green hair animation style. So in the same way, you will be able to create your 3D object. Okay, and you can see your model appearing here. and with that one you will be able to basically interact in the smartphone or in your digital device. Then if someone shared something with you, you will be able to see that here. No one has shared anything with me, so nothing is shared with me here. Okay, so this is a basic overview of spline. Now let's go and discover something. I'll go to home, and here basically I'll click on let's suppose 3D design. Let it load, guys. Okay, now it has created an interface for me, right? It has created an interface for me. So what I will do here is, so here you can see all view, all everything is here. Same somewhat like Figma you can see. Okay, so here you have objects, here you have assets. Okay, whatever the things you can see here, directional light, rectangle, many things are there you can explore. For now, let me delete this. Okay, this directional light is there. Let me delete this also. And here we have orthographic and perspective. Okay, now once that is done, you can go to library. So this is basically an untitled thing which will be there for you. Now here, sorry, 1 second. Okay, so it is a project where you can see all the things. Now let me create that first. So here you can go to templates, let's suppose, and in templates, let's suppose here I'll ask, or maybe here I search, let's suppose studio lighting, something like this. Okay, so I'll go studio lighting. Okay, so once scene is there, object is there, I can have multiple things available here. So here also I can go and search something, studio lighting, or whatever the 3D thing you wanted to explore, you can explore it here. Let me see. Okay, here you see 3D paths, clone cube. Okay, let's take this. Okay, it's saying upgrade. 1 second. Mm, again. Okay, no worries. Whatever is available with us, we'll see that. A single object. Okay. I can't use anything free. 1 second. Can I use this one? No. Okay. Let me try logging with some other account. So you can basically choose anything. Okay, let me try with this account. Maybe it allows me. Okay, asking me to upgrade. Okay, why? Okay, Let me try with some other account. Okay, now you see, so you can choose anything or you can search. So now for this one, okay, now, so Pushpa, now you can see, right? So let me hide this. This is 3D. Okay, now first and foremost thing, here you see, this like Molang 3D copy is the object. Here all the things. So little, this is there, big, this is there, floor, this floor is there. Everything has its direction. Here also you can see direction. Here you can see this direction. And here we have the position. Okay, you can increase the position, you can decrease the position. You see, likewise. So whatever you choose, for example, if I choose little and I want to change this position, okay, you see it's changing, it's going down like this. Okay, here. And if you want to scale, you see, so you can lock it. For example, if I lock this, it's now locked. So now if it's scaling, you see scaling like this. Okay, so the scale and all this thing, let me okay, now, so here all this, now here we have states for anything. Let's suppose if I click this big, here you see I have the states, events, many things are there which you can do. Apart from this, let's suppose this is with me, and I have chosen this. Okay, this one. Let me delete this for now. I don't want this. And this directional camera, I don't want this. And let's suppose it's white. So let me choose the color. Okay. Okay. Now here this is with me. Okay, this 3D. Now here you can have multiple things. So now here, and now let's suppose what I do is, let's suppose I go and create some rectangles. So let me, one second, I'll go here inside the perspective. Okay, now you see I'll go, and this body big, all this there, and I can, what I can do is I can position, you see, like this. Okay, you see, and here let's suppose I want here. Okay, rotation I don't want, material body, I'll go and this is the color, click here, and from here you see, let me go to the image, and here you can change whatever you want. Okay, so for now I'll go and put the back. One second, here you can click here, and here normal. Okay, like this, let's suppose. So you can anytime change all these things, everything. And if I zoom out, you see it's in it's looking, it's basically in a 3D environment. Okay, and through this one, basically what happens is reset. Okay, through this one what happens is you can interact with the 3D environment. Okay, 3D objects here, and once you export it, okay, you see public URL viewer. Okay, I'll copy, I'll go here. So whatever is there, now you can see this in 3D environment. Okay, and here it's showing built with spline. Okay, a basic demo to how you can interact with the 3D environment, guys. You can go ahead and you can explore multiple features here. Okay, and here you see viewer, the code export, all this coding, whatever done, hosting, all these things, Apple, Android, in files also it is available. Got a basic idea, guys, on spline. I request also, can we import these 3D icons in Figma or we have to create screen here? No, you can interact with the items here directly. No worries in that one, Pushpa. Okay. So, guys, I request everyone to please provide your valuable feedback. Ma'am has shared the link. Guys, got a bit idea on the spline. How you can create, how you can export a fair idea on spline. So we have covered three tools today: spline, Unite AR, Shape XR. Yes. Others: Samruddhi, Kevin, Alekhya, Pushpa, Bharat, Khushbu, Priyanka. Alekhya says yes. Others, guys, give me a quick confirmation. Yes. And also, please provide your valuable feedback through survey link shared by ma'am. Perfect. Is it clear? Got a basic idea? Now, if someone asks you something, okay, related to AR, VR, all this prototype, all this interaction, these tools, so at least you can tell them you have a basic knowledge of all these tools. Okay, you can create basic stuffs here. Okay, cool, guys. Is it clear to everyone? Priyank, is Priyank there in the call? One second. No worries. No worries. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Perfect. Bharat says yes. Rajiv says yes. Khushbu says yes. Samruddhi says. Priyanka, you're getting the idea of all these tools. So we have covered three tools today, guys. We need to cover draft XR. We'll cover that tomorrow. Yeah, like you check with your Google account. Okay, mostly features are paid one. Samruddhi, what I feel is here. Okay, but at least for the fair idea, for the basic idea, you can use your Google account. Okay, Samruddhi. Perfect. Yeah, Pushpa, basically for using multiple things, it is asking to upgrade. But with free Google account, you can use some of the features. Got it, Pushpa? Okay. Priyanka, I request you to just go through the recording, okay? Or for any doubt, please ping me over Slack. I'll be happy to answer. Okay, Priyanka? Hope you have any doubt or anything in that situation. You can go ahead with the recording and you can correct me over Slack. So Khushbu, basically for creating these AR environments and virtual reality and augmented reality, all these stuffs, okay, these tools are basically used. Okay, so you must have seen VR glasses, and through VR glasses you must have experienced certain virtual reality. Okay, so to create those platforms to interact with the 3D objects, these tools are used. Got it, Khushbu? Is it clear, everyone? I'll show you 1 second. And guys, the class 3 is now already updated here in this one. So you see, what is Shape XR? So Shape XR basically a dedicated VR tool for spatial design. Okay, and why it is used? It is used to create and prototype immersive 3D interfaces. Okay, the way I have created a 3D interface here. Okay, and if you talk about Spline, so it is basically a browser-based 3D design tool that allows designer to create interactive 3D experience with ease. So as you see, I've created Spline. Sorry, not this is not ShapeXR. ShapeXR is the earlier one. Okay, so you see here, Spline. I've created a 3D experience here. Now you can see, right? A browser-based 3D design tool that allows designer to create interactive 3D experience with ease. So you see 3D experience. This is in 3D, right? That you can see. Got No, no. Basically, these are for these platforms. Kushbu, are you getting it? So basically, in the real world, when these environments are created, when these interactions are created, at that time these tools are used. So you should have a fair idea on what these tools are. If someone asks you, you should able to answer these things. Got it, Kushbu? Perfect. Now, okay, is this clear to everyone? Okay. So now, guys, I'll open this forum for Q&A for any doubts, anything. The way Kushbu asked, Pushpa asked. Okay, you can uh, raise your hand. I'll unmute you, or you can paste over chatbot or chat box also. Okay. So here, over that meeting chat, you can type in your question, or you can raise your hand. I'll unmute you for any doubts. Okay. I hope you got the basic idea on spline, shape XR, and yes, you can link it via code also. So you see here in the spline, okay, you see this coding option is also there. You see it. Public URL code export. Here you can code and you can use it. Update code export. All this thing you can see it. Okay. So I think you can link it via code also. Okay, Samruddhi. Apart from coding here, public URL is there, self-hosted is there. You see, if you have something, you can use it. You can use mobile platform. You can use Android APK. Okay, as an image also. Okay, 3D formats like you see GLTF, GLB. You can use all these stuffs. Perfect. Yes. So, being a UI UX designer, you should have the fair idea of all these tools also. Not in very detailed, but at least you should know what these technologies are, how it should be used, where it should be used. If someone asks you, do you know spline, do you have a working knowledge, you can confidently say yes, you have a basic knowledge of all these stuffs. Okay, sounds clear, sounds cool. You guys are all with me? If yes, please type in yes in the chat. Rajiv says yes. Others, quick confirmation, guys. Pushpa says yes. Perfect. Samruti, all clear, correct? Kushbu, all clear. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the intention was to give a fair idea. Yeah, please experiment, go through the recording once. Whatever the steps that I have followed, please follow the same steps again and again on these three tools, and then you will have a practical idea. Okay, Samruddhi? And also, please provide your valuable feedback, guys. It is super important from us. You're welcome. Kushbu, all clear? Perfect. So I think there are no more doubts. If you have any other doubts apart from this later on, feel free to ping me over Slack. I'll be more than happy to answer. Guys, please keep practicing all these tools. Very important, not only related to AR and VR, but related to earlier modules also. Because after this, you need to jump into the capstone project, which is super important. So out of all the four capstone projects, I'll tell you in detail also when the time comes, but for now, just for an information in advance, out of the four capstone project, minimum you need to complete one. Maximum you can go ahead and complete all four, but minimum you need to complete one to get the certification. So prepare yourself, revise, practice on all the tool. For any doubt, I'm always available. I'll try to respond within 24 hours. Put your doubt, put your problem, put your issue over chat. I'll be more than happy to answer. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning UX. And I think Priyank Vidyarthi is not on the call. So Priyank, as per the conversation over this one Slack, okay, we can connect later on, or if you need further interactions, we can connect over Slack itself. With that note, guys, we are. I'm done for the day. Over to you, Suprita, ma'am.
Thank you for the wonderful session, sir. And thank you everyone for joining and participating. So your input is highly valuable to us. So please do share your feedback. If you like the session, please rate us 5. For anything less than 5, please share your comments. It will help us to understand what went wrong. Thank you all. Take care.
Thanks, everyone.